Today, we've got something truly special, an exclusive first look at DJI's latest innovation, the DJI Neo. This 4K-ready drone has been making waves across the internet with leaked designs, specs, and even its price tag. If you're ready to dive into the future of drone technology, stick around. The unveiling of the DJI Neo Drone marks a significant leap forward in drone technology. This isn't just another drone, it's a game changer. DJI has combined state-of-the-art battery innovations with a highly portable design, setting a new benchmark for compact drones. Weighing in at just 135 grams, the Neo could be DJI's lightest budget drone to date. But don't let its weight fool you. This drone is packed with advanced features. Photos of the Neo reveal a sleek, pop, non-foldable design that's more in line with DJI's Avata FPV drones rather than the Mini lineup. And for those worried about safety, the Neo comes equipped with propeller guards, making it a safer option for indoor use. Now, let's talk about what makes the DJI Neo truly stand out. One of the most exciting features is its push-button on-drone interface, which lets you cycle through different flight modes with ease. This is perfect for those who want to switch up their flying style on the go. But that's not all. Rumor has it that the Neo will include AI subject tracking. Imagine being able to start up your drone and shoot flying selfies, all without even touching a controller. Speaking of controllers, the Neo is pictured with a joystick-style Pro controller in the Fly More kit, but the box hints at multiple control options. You might even be able to take off and land directly from your palm. So, what's under the hood? While details are still emerging, we know that the DJI Neo is built for performance. Although we don't have official specs on battery life or wireless range yet, the advanced lithium polymer battery technology suggests this drone will have extended flight times, making it perfect for capturing those epic aerial shots. And now, the part you've been waiting for, the price. According to reliable sources, the DJI Neo will start at just $220. But if you're looking to get the most out of your new drone, the Fly More Combo Kit, which includes extra batteries, a charging hub, and an upgraded controller, will set you back around $350. For what you're getting, this is a steal. Mark your calendars, because DJI is set to officially announce the Neo on September 5th. With its blend of portability, advanced features, and an attractive price point, the Neo is poised to be a hit among both novice and experienced drone enthusiasts. If you're looking for a drone that's easy to use, packed with features, and won't break the bank, the DJI Neo might just be the one for you. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the latest tech news. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the DJI Neo. Are you planning on picking one up? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.